Alright, hello guys. My name is Dennis and you are on my channel, thank you. And today we're gonna change wiper blades on a Tesla Model Y. But before you're gonna start changing your wiper blades, you have to put them on a wiper blade service wiper blades. Sorry. Let me show you how you're gonna do that. Let's go with me. Alright, to start the wiper service mode, you're gonna press the car bottom, and then you're gonna press service over here, and on the service you're gonna press the, let me put it, wiper service mode. And when you add that, your wiper is gonna stand in this position and you'll be ready to change them. Let's go to change them. And we're gonna change the wiper blades on the new Michelin. They call Endurance XT silicone beam. They look like that. Let's see what's inside the package. What looks the blade, but we need to do some corrections. To change the wipers on your Tesla Model Y, you gotta remove this thing because it's not what you need. To remove that, you just gotta put it up like this. I think so, kind of like this. Oba, that's it. Now you have this wiper blades. Alright. And you need to find the right connection. The right connection is this one. Hello, doggy. And actually, when we remove that connector, you see those things? That's supposed to be like that, but that's okay. To put them on a Tesla, you gotta take them off like this. Woo! That's okay. And now you gotta put this one inside. Just push it. That's it. Now it's on. Let's go to remove the old blade. Okay, to remove the old blade, you gotta press this button, push it forward. That's it. Now it's the old one. Actually, you gotta remove those things too, these little ones. And now I'm gonna put it here and push it inside. What? Okay, now it's in. That was hard. Okay, let's check them. Let's go. First, you gotta take them off from the service mode. You gotta press the car, you gotta press the service, and wiper service mode off. That's it. Let's try. And for some reason, it's clean and perfect, but it's making a strange sound. But it didn't clean there. Actually, it's not supposed to. But the windows is clean. You can see no marks, no nothing. Perfect. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video how I'm changing my Tesla wipers and my Tesla Model Y. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, like this video, put some comments. Thank you. See you again.